Teşekkürler. Anlamlıydı gurbet. We are in Darıca, in Akçaabat. It's our village from my husband's side. After 3 years we are here. It's very beautiful. Noon time. We're gonna enjoy our fresh figs. And we're gonna pick some hazelnuts. It's not the time. It's over, but they left some for me to pick up to show you. Let's begin. Since it was rain, they opened themselves. It's useless. Perfect for the birds. Araba duyuluyor yani. Yaklaşabilirsiniz kızlar.
Bak şimdi, azıcık çıkın oradan. Abla, sana yardımcı olan.
Dur. Yine zor
Tamam,
geldi ama.
olsun, bazen
Pardon.
olabilir.
We don't touch this part. Before this one I have to get it like this, yes, right?
Yes, yes.
Çıkayım.
He aldım.
Tamam, bir tane daha var da. Buradan alacak şimdi.
So this is what we got for now. As I said, we are late, but we still got some of it. These are the fresh ones, and these are dried in the tree. These are more flavorful, but you have to pick up when it's still fresh. So what we just did has also name. It is called zayiata girmek. How can I explain? After the time passes to pick up the hazelnuts, people can go to others hazelnut tree area to pick up what it's left, and it is free to do it traditionally.
Geç daha ne?
This is the barn. It's 70 years old. You can stay there for the night. They use it to dry out the hazelnuts. Başka ne yapıyordunuz? Tütün. Tütün. Tütün İngilizce. It was tütün damı. Yazacağım oraya. Aşağıya yazıyorum. And right now they use it only to stay for the night when they need to, when it's time to pick up the hazelnuts. So we are here. We're gonna have our picnic, our Turkish tea now. Lunch as a breakfast lunch kind of.
Sandıkta getirin, sandık da var.
Sandık. came to the downside of the place we have.
Ama işte bizim araba diyoruz ya.
Mhm. These are all hazelnut trees. Aha. I found one.
Buradayız.
This is different kind. We came from the village and our auntie lives across the highway. We just came and 5-minute walk we will see the sea now and we will get on the boat. I'm very excited. Nereye? Böyle. Evet, tamam.
Diye bir ayet vardı.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Biliyordum onu.
Mecra ve mürsala, onun mu?
Ama başı neydi?
Bismillahi ve mecra